Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix this app cannot be installed because integrity could not be verified app. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, tap on OK and go back home screen. Now go to setting. So guys, first of all, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. So guys, scroll down, tap on general. Tap on software update. Make sure that your phone is software is updated. If not updated, so guys, first of all update your iPhone, iPad. So guys, now tap on date and time and turn on date and time set automatically. Now go back and tap on VPN and device management. Now disconnect VPN and if connected. So guys, now go back and tap on screen time and scroll down. Tap contact and privacy restriction and tap on iTunes App Store purchase. Now tap on install apps and select allow installing apps. Now go back. So guys, allowed app Safari. Now go back. So guys, scroll down and open Safari and scroll down. So guys, clear history and website data. So guys, now open again general and scroll down. Tap on iPhone storage. So guys, reinstall apps and install it again. So guys, after doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.